and the envoys of Operation Sindoor are calling out Pakistan for once again trying to shield acts of terror on their own soil. And this time it's Milind Deora who's sending out a clear message to Bilawal Bhutto. Now remember, Milind Deora goes on to tell Bilawal Bhutto and Pakistan that no one is taking the delegation led by Bilawal seriously because it has no credibility left. Pakistan's only recognition is terrorism, and also he's asking Bilawal Bhutto to look towards improving Pakistan, but instead he is leading and protecting the terrorists who were involved in the assassination of his mother. Here's Milind Deora's message to the copycat delegation that is being led by Bilawal Bhutto.
एक बात जो स्पष्ट पिछले 4 देशों में और आज अमेरिका में 5 देशों में एक बहुत ही क्लियर संदेश हमें मिल रहा है कि पाकिस्तान का इन देशों में कोई क्रेडिबिलिटी नहीं है। अमेरिका में खास करके जीरो क्रेडिबिलिटी है। लोगों को पता है कि ओसामा बिन लादेन पाकिस्तान में था। लोगों को पता है कि 9/11 अटैक्स की जो टेररिस्ट हैं उनकी ट्रेनिंग पाकिस्तान में मिली गई है। तो हम लोग, हमारी जो डेलीगेशन है, भुट्टो पाकिस्तानी डेलीगेशन को बिल्कुल सीरियसली लेते नहीं है, क्योंकि उनका कोई क्रेडिबिलिटी नहीं है। पाकिस्तान की पहचान टेररिज्म है। भुट्टो जैसे लोगों को, जो मुझसे भी कम उम्र के हैं, पाकिस्तान को उनको सुधारना चाहिए। उल्टा वो उन आतंकवादियों को बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं, उनका प्रतिनिधित्व कर रहे हैं जिन आतंकवादियों ने उनकी मां की हत्या की है।
What a clear message, Pragya. Milind Deora here sending out a message to Bilawal Bhutto, reminding him that Mr. Bilawal Bhutto, you're younger to me. Instead of looking within, instead of bringing about reforms in your country, why are you speaking for those who were once involved in the assassination of your mother? What a strong and clear message from Milind Deora, who is now in the US exposing Pakistan-backed terror.
Absolutely, and India never wanted to meddle in internal affairs of Pakistan. And in fact, I would say that the Milind Deora in fact has taken on Bilawal Bhutto, saying that you should also look at the assassination of your own mother and in fact find out who murdered her. In fact, this is also a comment on the political the situation that exists in Pakistan today. And when Pakistan goes around in the world doing a copycat of what India did with the MP's delegation, it is also seen as an attempt by Pakistan to undo and also to change the narrative that India has successfully able to establish around the world and the countries, to say that Pakistan is a terror state, and in fact it is India that is the victim of the terror. And in fact they have also taken into consideration and also given the documents and evidence on fact that India has been attacked time and again by Pakistan, and they do not want to we do not want war. In fact, we are also a proponent of peace, and this is exactly why we are telling the world that we are for the peace. We do not want any sort of war, but we will not cow down under and bow down to the nuclear blackmail.
Yes.
We will give befitting reply to Pakistan.
So
and
Pragya,
also
the face of Pakistan's copycat delegation has been exposed by Milind Deora. And this is happening in America, which in fact had taken down Osama in Abbottabad, where, leaders in America had told Pakistan about snakes in their own backyard, which will come back to bite them. And that's exactly what's happening. Thank you so much, Pragya, for joining us with the latest. With that, it's time for us to take a short commercial break.